But yeah, everything before and after. That way we can say, well, this is what it was. This is what we did. See how this is just.
Let me get back.
I don't know that you're gonna get all that texture out, but it's either that or you gotta fill it with the red. So that's all within A. So it's better to get that than this.
Okay. How about this platform up here?
And a lot of times we'll do a block on this just so it doesn't. We also don't want this.
You don't want waves.
Yeah. This piece right here, just like the back.
Okay.
Let's see how this looks. The problem with this piece is got all these